What's up everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to change these position lights in your Mitsubishi Lancer, these little ones that you are seeing right here. I'm going to put new LEDs, position lights, LED white lights, because these ones are fading. These are from China, so these new ones are better than this one. So I also gonna change the rear license plate light and the reverse light. So to change this one, you are going right here. As you can see, is this plug right here that I'm showing you with my hand, this one right here. And the only thing you are going to do is twist it to the, I think to the left, I do not remember, but you can twist it and you are going to see which way. So here's the position light, and you only need to take this off, take this out, and replace it with the new one like this. And before putting it back, we are going to see if the LED works, and as you can see, it works really fine. So the only thing you need to do is to put it back and remember to twist this plug, and this is how it's going to look when it's new. This is the new one. So I hope you like this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Like, subscribe, and see you on the next video.